Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your headphones JLab JBuddies Studio 2. And firstly, make sure that your headphones is turned on, and after that, right here at the right ear cup we have this multifunctional button. You need to press and hold on it to turn off your headphones. Here we go. And after that, your headphones is disconnected from your phone, so you need to press and hold this power button again to turn on it, and it will reconnect to your phone, so we should see connection right here at the device list. And we can see it, so that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!